Most AI tools answer questions using their general knowledge. But what if you want AI to answer only from documents you trust? That's exactly what NotebookLM does. In this video, I will show you how to upload your own documents, ask questions, and verify wherever answer comes from. Let's start by opening NotebookLM. This is Google's AI powered research and learning tool. Unlike ChatGPT, NotebookLM works best when you give it your own documents to learn from. The first step is creating a notebook. Think of it as a workspace where you will keep all the documents related to one topic or project. Keeping everything organized makes it easier to ask questions later. Now let's upload a document. This could be a PDF, class notes, a report, or any file you trust. Notebook LM uses these documents as its source of information. So the quality of your documents directly affects the quality of the answers. Once your document is ready, you can start asking questions. Try to be specific. The more clearly you ask your question, the more useful the response will be. Notebook LM now reads the uploaded document and generates an answer based on the information it found. Instead of relying on general knowledge, it's using the content you provided, which makes the response much more focused and relevant. This is my favorite Notebook LM feature. Every answer includes citations that link back to the original document. Just click a citation to see exactly where the information came from. It is a great way to verify important details instead of simply trusting the AI. Today, you learned how to create your first notebook, upload trusted documents, ask questions, and verify answers using citations. If you have notes, PDFs, or reports that you work with regularly, give Notebook LM a try. And if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Practical AI Guide for more simple, beginner friendly AI tutorials.